find the following indefinite integrals. The integral of x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 3 all over x minus 2 x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, so we'll just write that out. Okay, if we expand the denominator, okay, and simplify, which I won't actually do in the video, but it's just multiplying two brackets together, the integral will become x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 3, but we get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. So this is, because these powers are the same, this is considered to be an improper algebraic fraction. So we need to do a division first. So, writing the denominator, x cubed minus 2x plus x minus 2, and then the numerator here, if we do x cubed divided by x cubed, that just gives me 1. Multiplying every term here by 1, so we get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. Doing a subtraction, nothing from here. Minus 1 minus 2 gives 1. 2 take away 1 gives me just 1, and minus 3 minus 2 gives me minus 1. This is the remainder. So the integral can be rewritten as the integral of 1 plus the remainder over the denominator, but I'm going to put the denominator back in its factorised form, which is x minus 2 x plus x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, so now if we're going to integrate this, we need to put this into partial fractions. So writing that bit out. Okay, so using partial fractions, so we've got a repeated we've got a quadratic factor here. So this, we've got to try a over x minus 2 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 1. So this is a further maths type question. So x squared plus x plus minus 1 must be a times x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c times x minus 2. The first thing easy to do is put x is equal to 2. If we do that, on this side we're going to get 2 squared plus 2, which is 6 minus 1, which is 5. Here we'll get nothing, but here we'll get 5, because we'll get 2 squared plus 1, which gives a is equal to 1. Right, if we then equate coefficients, let's say, of x squared, so we're going to have 1x squared on that side. Here we're going to have ax squared plus b, and we have a is 1 already, which will imply that b is equal to 0. So it's going to make life a bit easy for us. And then if we equate coefficients of x, we're going to have 1 here. We're going to have nothing from here, but we're going to have minus 2b plus c, because we've got cx there. But we already know b is 0, so therefore c must be equal to 1. So that makes life very easy for us. So my integral, this here, will now become the integral of 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. So that will become x. This will become ln of x minus 2, and this is just a standard integral, which is arctan x plus c, which I think sometimes you get the formula for. Okay, so this has been a video where you have to have an improper algebraic fraction and then have to split the denominator into a partial fractions where you have a quadratic factor. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.